sucked.
Yeah. Day one of travels. Really sweaty. A lot of uphills.
Oh.
A lot of ups and downs. Well, mostly just ups. Ups is in uphills.
But it has to do at least 360 degrees. Because you're just flipping 180, I think.
Isn't this 360?
Okay. And more than 360.
Yeah, you have to flip it
Boy!
like multiple times.
540! Gosh, so far I haven't faced you. Right? With you guys being in college now. It's like, oh crap. And it's wound. It's something different.
No fun unless there's risk of falling in.
So it's the first time we've been fishing in a while, and so far super unlucky. I mean, there's like a ton of other people like taking our spot. Hopefully we don't get caught. Well, I already did get caught, but hopefully we don't get caught anymore. I'll show them the game face. Fishing update. So about after, was it 2 hours of fishing, right? 2 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, so about 2 or 3 hours of fishing, we caught absolutely 0 fish. Also, I got my line caught in the water. Oh, not my line. My pole fell in the water. The top half of my pole fell in the water.
I don't even know how you did that.
Yeah, and then Sam went in to save it. Here's the clip. Hey, grab the, oh shoot. Grab the thing, grab the stick.
Take it.
How are you, Sam?
Oh my god, my feet are so cold.
Day dose of fishing. Same result as yesterday. Hardly even a bite. Hardly a nibble. We've lost more lines than we've actually got any nibbles. So
And we haven't had any nibbles.
exactly, yeah. So
we've lost more lines than nibbles.
yeah. How many lines have we lost? Like at least like
At
5.
least 4 or 5.
Yeah, just this morning.
Yeah. I think yesterday. Oh no, we didn't.
We
really
lost like
lose.
3,
Maybe.
two or
3.
3 yesterday. Yeah. So far, so good, I guess.
So far, so bad.
In addition to not catching anything, my head's super itchy because all the dang mosquitoes. How goes it? Oh, nice knot you got there.
Hey man, this is not even the worst of it. I've caught 2 trees today.
I caught a tree and a rockfish,
Hey, when's the time to get breakfast?
Not soon enough.
We got a saying in Brooklyn. We're walking here.
If you had a burp, that would be the time.
Oh no, I just ran out.
I'm actually really tired. So much uphill.
All uphill.
So much nature. That's pretty neat. Finally reached the promised land. Finally reached the lake. Twin Lakes. The hike actually wasn't that bad. It's just a lot of uphill. The way back is gonna be a lot easier.
I gotta go like this so my chin doesn't sag.
How ashy are you?
Pretty ashy.
This could be bad.
Ashy boys.
Well, all right.
Getting towards the end of our hike. We just scaled the giant hill.
Another poopy hill.
Yet another poopy hill. Oh my god. Oh.
Don't bring it out of the water. Try to bring it toward me. You have to walk it a little bit.
No, don't feel so much. You
Yeah.
get off the couch.
You gotta bring it toward me.
There you go.
Yes. Oh my.
That's a 2.5 pounder.
Nice.
Oh,
That could be 3.
And really nice. Woo. So that just wraps about. Oh,
Look at that. Oh my
oh, that
god.
was so big. Anyways, that wraps about. That just about wraps up. Shh, you shut up. That just about wraps up
the only way to
day
catch
2 of
the
fishing,
fish is
or
in the
day
middle.
3. Day 3 of fishing. We actually caught stuff this time. We caught a total of 4 fish. I caught 1. My mom caught 2,
Ooh.
and then my sister got 1, and Sam got a 0. So, update. So we hiked from all the way over there, all the way here, which is kind of by the waterfall, somewhere over there, ish. And we are standing on a bunch of snow.
Edible.
No, Buzz, you want to eat it?
Fucking cold.
Tastes like water. Oh, round two. Guess I'm gonna have to go out there too. Okay, so we hiked all the way, and well, here we are, the waterfall. How's that water sound?
Good-ass water.
Let me try it. Let me try some. Straight from the source. Hopefully I don't get like
River AIDS.
To the moonlight, even if I try to cancel all the pictures into the mind, there's a flashing in my eyes. Don't you see my condition?
For the record, I didn't record most of it because it's too much of a bitch to record. We had to climb up a shit ton of ice and snow.
Alright, Mikey, let's see it. Who needs a sled?
Somebody just got your ass. Oh, my fingers.
Damn.
Look at this guy. What a baller. So that concludes the Mammoth trip. I don't have any good end footage, so here's some mountains.